Assalamualaikum students. Hope you are enjoying the good health in this difficult time. Today our topic is energy. Chapter number 15 from Cambridge Checkpoint for grade 6. 15 chapter question answers. What is the energy? How do scientists define energy? The answer of this question is energy is property of something that can exist in different forms and make something exert a force or do work. The second form of energy, what kind of energy is stored in it? Links between atom in a molecule. The answer of this question is chemical energy. The question B, an object held above your head. The answer of this question is gravitational potential energy. The third one, the C part, elastic material having energy. What type of energy in elastic material? So the elastic energy definitely. Okay. Question answer, chapter number 15. Time for answers. The third question. Player stands at the side of the swimming pass ready to run onto the diving board. What stored energy in her body? The answer of this question is chemical energy. Okay. Player runs to the end of the diving board and jumps up. At the top of her jump, what extra stored energy does she possess? The answer of this question is gravitational potential energy. Okay. Player lands on the end of diving board and bends it down. What stored energy does the diving board have now? The answer of this question is strain energy. Okay, strain energy or elastic energy. The board springs player into the air. When does player have maximum gravitational potential energy? The answer of this question is at the top of the diving board or at the top of dive when she is highest in the air. Okay. Answer questions. Chapter number 15. Time for answers. The 4 questions. Basically, Fiola has made a catapult out of an elastic band. She has investigated the stored energy in the following ways. She placed a cotton wool ball against the band, pulled back the elastic band 1 centimeter, then let go and measured the distance the ball traveled. She repeated this process by pulling back the band to different distances and recorded her results. Here is the table of data from her investigation. Distance band pulled back centimeter. These are the distances. Okay. Distance ball traveled in centimeters. Okay. In this first column, the distance of pulled elastic. Okay. And here the distance traveled by the ball, which is the reaction of that force which exerted on the elastic. Okay. The first E part present the data in the table as a line graph on the grid below. Okay, this one is the grid. Here you should make some lines of the given data above in this table. The answer of this question is this one will be the graph of the given data. Okay, at first the distance traveled by the ball is 2. Okay, this point will get by these two readings or data. At second distance, the distance traveled by the ball is 4. So 2 at 2, the distance traveled by the ball is 4. Okay. Now the third one is the 3. When the distance of the elastic or band is 3, then the reading of 14. Okay, so we can just placing some points on this graph and then attach by a scale these points, we will get this graph. Okay. Now the B part, what pattern does the graph seem to show between the distance pulled back and the distance the ball traveled? The answer of this question is the further band is pulled back, the further ball traveled. Okay, so we can say that the band is pulled back is directly proportional to the ball traveling of the ball. Okay. So next question, what pattern does the graph seem to show between the amount of stored energy in the band and distance the ball travel? Explain your answer. The answer of this question will be greater the stored energy in the band, the further the ball traveled. Pulling the band back further increase its stored energy will also increase, and so these all are the direct proportional to each other. Okay. The T part, comment on the accuracy of Fiola's result. Answer of this question is they do not seem to be accurate as they do not show the pattern clearly. The line is wobbly instead of straight. Okay. The next E, how could Fiola make sure the results show the pattern they seem to show? The answer to this question is she could repeat them, take more care over her measurements. Okay, by repeating the same pattern, same practice or same procedure again and again, we can measure the accurate reading. Okay, So the F part, what do you think happened when the elastic band was stretched to 6 centimeters? The answer of this question is elastic band broke. Okay. Now these are the questions. Question number 5. How can you tell if something has kinetic energy? The answer of this question will be it moves. Okay. And these all 3 questions are the task at home, and you will must solve these questions. If you have any problem in these questions, you can ask, but first you should try yourself to solve these questions. These are basically tasks at home. Okay. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.